Hello, I welcome you to this video where I'm going to show you how to design a perfect accepted ebook cover for your summary guide. You know, Amazon has a perfect size that are required for your design and the way your design is supposed to look like. In this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to have a perfect design for your ebook cover. Okay, let's get started. When you are on your Photoshop, you're supposed to choose the canvas. Just click on new. Okay, now click on print. Don't click on web because you need to have a good resolution. When you might have done with your Kindle version of your design, you can turn it to the paperback. You are expected to choose print version of it. For the width, choose 6 inches, while for the height, make it to be 9 inches. Okay, now click create. Okay, since we have created you have designed this canvas to be 6 by 9, the next thing for you to give it a perfect color that doesn't look like the original book color. Let me choose something perfect. Okay, you can choose any color of your desire. Now I've chosen this color. Now press Ctrl G on your keyboard or come down to this tool layer, click on gradients and click on this second one. Just click on the canvas. Boom, the color now has been transformed to the canvas now. Okay, the next thing for us to try to do some trick to this design. This is the title of the book, the summary of the state of secrecy. Just copy the book title. Okay, click on this T, which is the text tools. Click on it and paste the title which you have copied. Ctrl A. Click on this color palette here. Choose white color. Click on OK. Now just double click on the title. Ctrl A. Choose this one. This alignment, the center text. Click on hook this mark button and come down to this 3 dot button. Click on it. Click on canvas, not selection. Now click on this align to center. What you can do next is for you to increase the size of this font. As you can see, you can use the arrow key on your keyboard to increase the size of the font. Okay, now but you are expected to make this summary to bigger than the text so that it will catch the attention of the buyer that this book is a summary guide, not the original book. Let me make it to be 60, or let me increase it to 65. Okay, 67. Can you see it now? It stands out that this thing is a guide, that is a summary book, not the original book. Let me decrease this one. Okay, boom. Can you see it now? You are done with the title, the main title. You can change it to bold or anything that you want. Okay, since I put the title, let me decrease this one. Okay, this thing, let me increase the height here. Now this is the book title. Now we are expected to have the subtitle to it. Copy the subtitle, copy, Ctrl T, paste, Control A, decrease the size to like and let me use 24. Click on OK here. Break the book the subtitle. Control A, make it to the center. Click on this OK key. Click on center here. Let's change this one to regular. The height here, make it like 11. Okay, now double click on the text. Backspace. Now I've aligned everything to the center here. Let's drag it down a little bit. You can use a symbol to separate the main title for away from the subtitle. Come down to this tools bar here, click on custom tools. You can use any shape here. Let me drag it down. Click on all. Okay, you can use any shape here. Okay, let me use something. Let me use this one here. Drag, change the color to white. White color. Okay. Sorry, this one you can copy it, Ctrl J, Ctrl V. Sorry, Ctrl J. Now copy, Ctrl J. Couple everything here, come down to selection, space. Can you see it now? Okay, copy everything and drag to the center. Boom. Just to distinguish the main title from the subtitle. Now give the title the subtitle name. Copy, Ctrl T and paste. John Lewis for the subtitle. Now come down here, click on Canva, make it to the center. Yeah, this one you can decrease it a little bit. Enter, center, so that you can have a little design at the head is here. Just click on this one, so click on rectangle. For the fee, choose no fee, and for the stroke you can use like let me use 10. You can change the color to your desired color. Let me use something like this pink color. Yeah, drag. Here, click on OK here, click on align to center. Boom. This is how you to design a perfect looking book cover, ebook cover design for your Kindle Amazon design. This one look okay and look perfect. Let me save this template. Ctrl S. Secret. Let me secrecy. Enter. Okay. Let me now save for web now. If you want to save for web, sorry, I make use of a shortcut. Let me show you. Just click on file here, click on save as. Sorry, file, exports, and click on export as. But for the shortcut, you can make use of this thing, which is Alt Shift Ctrl X, Alt Shift Ctrl S. let me save it to my desktop so that you can see. Okay, let me save it to my desktop. Okay, let me save it to my desktop and use secrecy. That's how to design a perfect looking professional book cover for your Kindle version of your ebook of your Kindle design. If you would like this video, please click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.